are you making?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to preserve green plantains in your fridge for weeks. I'm gonna be using these green plantains for demonstration. The first thing I'm gonna do is to wash them. This is totally optional. It is my preference, so feel free to leave yours as it is, but I prefer to wash mine. Like I said, it is optional to wash them. Now that they are wet, I will have to pat them dry. If this is your first time on my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. I'm gonna wrap them individually with a paper towel to keep them dry and to reduce exposure to light. When I'm done wrapping them, I'm gonna put them in a Ziploc bag. This will reduce exposure to oxygen. So we are technically trying to reduce the exposures of the plantains to light, heat, and oxygen. When the green plantains are exposed to heat, light, and oxygen, they tend to ripen so fast. Now they are protected from light and oxygen. The next step is to cool them down, and we're going to place them in a refrigerator. They have been in the fridge for 1 week now, so let us see what they look like. From this first bag, I don't see any remarkable difference. They still look the same as a week ago, green and firm. The other bag is good too, except for the little discoloration at the bottom of one of the plantains. So it is safe to say that the plantains are good in the fridge for 1 week. I'm gonna wrap them and put them back in the fridge for another week, and let's see how they're gonna turn out. Let me use this time to send out a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. This video is for people that love green plantains or have a lot of green plantains on their hands and don't want them to ripen too fast. I have another video on how to preserve green plantains for months, but this one is for a shorter period of time. If you're interested in the other video, the link is gonna be in the description box. So this is what they look like after 2 weeks. There's a lot of discoloration. Other than that, they are still firm. For comparison, this is a picture of before and after so that we can see the difference. Let us cut one plantain to see if it is ripe. As you can see, it is not ripe. Very firm. I'm gonna peel it. I want you to listen to the sound. You can tell if it is ripe or not. Now that you know how to store green plantains in the fridge for a short period of time, why don't you give this a try? I promise you, you're gonna be so satisfied. So, thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.